Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. 2 years ago I made a video on zero waste morning routine, and I had hundreds of suggestions in the comments of ways I could do things a little bit differently. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to see if I could incorporate some of the suggestions into my morning routine. Starting with not making the bed first thing in the morning. It's actually more hygienic to just pull the duvet back and allow the sheets to breathe. Next was some warm water in the morning. Now we have some water from the night before that we keep in the heat flask, so the next morning it's not boiling anymore and it's just nicely warm to start the day. I find it highly beneficial to start every morning with some meditation. I just find that it really sets me up for the day. Next is getting out and getting some fresh air and a walk. And there really is nothing better than just getting exercise outside because it is completely free. And the first thing I'll do when I go outside is feed the birds, and we're able to get this bird food package free in a local pet store. And it's really nice to get things package free, and it's also nice to support local businesses. So I find the concept of zero waste an oxymoron because there really is no way of having zero waste. The way I look at it is I'm just trying to take the minimal amount that I need, and I'm trying to work with the environment rather than against it. Always taking the time to stop and breathe and take stock of where I'm at, and remembering that it's a journey, not a destination, and that every day I'm learning new things, and I do my best then to incorporate them into my life. I find the more I learn, the less I need to live well. So for me, it's a process of elimination. Rather than using more sustainable products, I'm using less and less. I'm just trying to get down to the bare minimum of what I need. For me, it's like stripping back all the excess. The main area in the morning is personal hygiene. So I had loads of different suggestions, and I thought I would try and eliminate the shower. We have a stream that runs from the hill, and I can wash my teeth and I can wash myself perfectly adequately. This is bamboo toothbrush and then the toothpaste that I always use. Now, I'm not a fan of having cold showers, let alone washing outside in cold water. So it definitely was a new experience. I was very refreshed after it. I'm still using soap. I have a friend that will make these for me, and this is some natural sea sponge, just instead of using those plastic scrubbers. So it really got me thinking of how much water and how much electricity I waste every morning having a shower. And in my grandmother's time, a lot of the times they would just fill the sink and that would be perfectly adequate to keep themselves clean. With things like deodorant and body cream, at the moment I have a gift, so I'm using that. And a great zero waste concept is just using up what you have. We can have so many products where we've only really used half the tube and there's loads left there to be used. So just becoming more aware of the waste. At the moment for my tea in the morning, we've got an abundance of this variety of mint, so that's what I'm having. Some very simple soda bread and some overnight oats. I just find warm porridge a little bit too warm for this time of year. And oats in Ireland are a great sustainable choice for breakfast. But of course it depends what country you're living in and what is grown. So it really is very subjective to where you're living. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. And let me know down below what you've changed over the years with your zero waste routine. I will chat as always down below or over on Instagram. Have a wonderful week, keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video.